In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unban someone from a Facebook business page. Start by logging into your Facebook account and opening facebook.com in your browser. Once you are signed in, switch over to the Facebook business page that you manage. Make sure you are working from the correct page before you continue, especially if you manage more than one business page. After you are on the right page, look to the left-hand side of the screen. In the menu, click on your Facebook business page to fully open it. This will take you into the page view, where you can manage settings and page activity. Next, go to the left navigation menu and select Settings. This will open the settings area for your Facebook business page, where you can control different page options, including privacy and audience-related settings. Once the settings page opens, find and click Blocking. This section contains the list of people and accounts that have been blocked from interacting with your page. On the blocking page, go to the Manage Blocking section and click Edit. This will open the controls for reviewing and changing the current blocked list. After that, click See Your Blocked List. Facebook will then display the people who are currently blocked from your business page. Take a moment to scroll through the list and find the person you want to unban. When you locate the correct person, click Unblock next to their name. Facebook will usually ask you to confirm the action before making the change. Click Confirm to approve it. Once confirmed, that person will be removed from your blocked list. They will be able to interact with your Facebook business page again, depending on your page visibility and any other page restrictions that may still apply. As a final check, stay on the blocked list page and verify that the person no longer appears there. This helps confirm that the unban was successful and that the change has been applied correctly. If you are managing page moderation for a team or business, it is a good idea to double-check that you only remove the correct person from the blocked list. That helps avoid unintended access changes on your page. The full process is simple once you know where to look. Open your Facebook business page, go into Settings, select Blocking, edit the blocked list, and then remove the person you want to unban. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.